How to start a business. From starting to success. If you're wondering how to start a business, it may be easier than you think. Like other successful businesses, you'll want to make sure you have a good idea first. From there, you can build a product or service that solves a need for consumers. But before you jump into anything, you'll want to make sure you do your research. This is crucial, because only an estimated 79.4% of companies survive their first year in operation. In this video we will discuss about how to start a business easily from starting to success. First, generate a business idea. A business idea is the reason for starting a small business and the first step in the business development process. Your idea informs every decision you make, including the products you'll offer and how you'll market them to a target audience of potential buyers. The best business ideas come from solving problems that you or others face every day. If there's something in your life that frustrates you, chances are there are plenty of other people who feel the same way. Then research about your business idea. Once you have finalized your business idea and it seems suitable for starting as a business, you will need to research your idea further. Researching your idea helps you determine if you can turn your idea into a profitable, working business and identify your potential customers, market size, and access to the market. Research your competitors and market. Most entrepreneurs spend more time on their products than they do getting to know the competition. Analyzing competing products or services can give you an idea of what already exists in your industry. This can help you find ways to improve your idea. It can also help you target weaknesses in your product or service before you spend time and money creating it. Be sure to note your competitors' prices during this process, which will give you a range of how much customers are currently spending on similar products. Brainstorm your business name. Choosing the wrong business name can limit your growth and prevent you from connecting with your customers. When you're starting a business, your company's name is one of the foundational elements. A great business name will stand out to potential customers and help you build a strong brand identity. Many of the world's most popular brands, Apple, Nike, and Target, for example, you'll notice that these companies have very simple names. When you pick a business name, don't try to get creative with the spelling or come up with a name that's too clever. By doing this, you could get penalized by Google's algorithm and lose out on potential customers. Create your business plan. Your business plan outlines your current and future goals. Planning is the process of deciding in advance what is to be done, who is to do it, and how it is to be done and when it is to be done. It is a roadmap for establishing a new business. A good business plan guides you through each stage of starting and managing your business. You'll use your business plan like a GPS for how to structure, run, and grow your new business. It's a way to think through and detail all the key elements of how your business will run. You will need to ask yourself a few important questions. What is the purpose of your business? Who are you selling to? What are your end goals? How will you finance your startup costs? These questions can be answered in a well-written business plan. Build your team. Team building is important. Unless you're planning to be your only employee, you'll need to recruit and hire a great team to get your company off the ground. Team building enables employees to learn from others and develop new skills. Working in a team helps employees take on leadership roles and see their team members fulfill their responsibilities. To perform and achieve their goal, they need to arrive at a consensus before making any decisions. Choose your vendors or suppliers. A vendor's role is to sell goods and services to individuals, business entities, and stores. It is their responsibility to maintain the supply flow of products, coordinate with business partners, and maintain positive relationships with customers to strengthen the client base. A vendor is a person or company that sells goods or services for a profit. Running a business can be overwhelming, and you and your team probably aren't going to be able to do it all on your own. That's where third-party vendors come in. They can operate in a business-to-consumer, B2C, or business-to-business, B2B, environment. In B2B, vendors are often known as suppliers. Brand your business and advertise. A brand is how a company differentiates itself from its peer brands. A brand can be thought of as the personality of the company, communicated through an identifying mark, logo, name, tagline, voice, and tone. Before you start selling your product or service, you need to build up your brand and get a following of people who are ready to jump when you open your literal or figurative doors for business. There are a variety of different advertising approaches that your small business can take. You can focus on digital ad platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube and Google AdWords. Or, you can choose more traditional advertising mediums, including newspapers, radio, and local TV. Scale and grow your business. To scale your business, you need to grow your customer base and revenue. This can be done by expanding your marketing efforts, improving your product or service, collaborating with other creators, or adding new products or services that complement what you already offer. A growth strategy is an organization's plan for overcoming current and future challenges to realize its goals for expansion. Your launch and first sales are only the beginning of your task as an entrepreneur. To make a profit and stay afloat, you always need to be growing your business. That takes time and effort, but you'll get out of your business what you put into it. Co-branding and brand partnerships are strategies that involve two or more brands collaborating to create a new product, service, or experience that benefits both parties. They can be a powerful way to reach new audiences, enhance brand value, and generate more revenue. Collaborating with more established brands in your industry is a great way to achieve growth. Reach out to other companies and ask for some promotion in exchange for a free product sample or service. Partner with a charity organization, and volunteer some of your time or products to get your name out there. By following these, you can start a business easily. Finally, people begin to become successful the minute they decide to be. Harvey Mackay. If you have any question or any important business idea, then please write it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe and follow us for more.